What up, Hailstorm? Can't wait to go to your assembly today.
Dad, no way. Get real, yo.
Ooh-wee-ee. What's up with that? I'm not sure the kids at USM have seen my mad dance skills. They will think I'm the coolest dad ever.
Dad, there's no way you're coming to school. Period. Much less with your stupid dancing.
Well then what, if I step it up with some of these funky fresh new moves, yo?
You are not coming to my school. I am sure Jamie's third grade class would love a Michael Jackson demonstration.
Great idea, Yada. I can do both.
Dad, you are still the king of Nerd Bomb City. I will alert security to keep you out of my school. I'll lie and tell them you escaped a mental home.
We'll see about that, Hailstorm. Who wouldn't enjoy my style?
They probably will think you are too old to be my dad anyway, old man.
Are you suggesting I'm an old fart?
Just stick to Zoe, Twitter, Buckyville, and the Badgers.
Okay, Yada. I'll save it for your Sadie's Hawkins dance.
Nay, rather not. Whoa.
Billie Jean is not my lover. It's close to midnight.
Oh my God. Mom.